Jai Hind everyone. I am Cadet Raiza and I am back with the history of the Indian Navy. तो जैसे आपने पिछले लेक्चर्स में पढ़ा होगा या फिर आपने जूनियर क्लासेस में पढ़ा होगा, we've all studied history. अब हिस्ट्री में हम अवेयर है इस टॉपिक के कि ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी आई थी, बट उनने करा क्या? So in context of the Navy today, we are going to learn that they brought in a group of ships, right, which arrived in Surat on September 5th, 1612. Now, how do you remember this? September 5th is also known as Teachers' Day. I know it's not a very nice logic, but याद करने के लिए अच्छी scheme है. So 1612, and just for purposes of basic understanding, मैंने आपके लिए यहाँ timeline बनाया है. 1612 ये ships first introduce हुई थी, and then it acquired the combatant status. अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Combatant status मतलब fighting या war status इनको मिला on May 1st, 1830. So here 1830 को इन्हें वो स्टेटस मिला when by warrant from the Lord High Admiral. अब warrant क्या होता है? It is a paper or a document that is signed कि अच्छा approve हो गया है. And now because the British had come, we did not have the ranks which we have today. So we had Lord High Admiral, right? And they came under the British Crown. So उस time पे इंडिया को रूल कर रहा था the British Crown. So Lord High Admiral is under the British Crown. And the service was named the Indian Navy. अब Indian Navy की भी बहुत सारी variations थी. So the Indian Navy name was changed to Bombay Marine. Marine जब भी आएगा you need to understand वो water sea से related है. Indian Marine, Royal Indian Marine. अब Royal का context ये है British from the starting has been a monarchy जहाँ पर kings होते हैं, queens होती है. So उसे हम royalty भी कहते हैं. So Royal and Royal Indian Navy from 1863 onwards. Therefore 1863, right? उसके बाद for the final time जो हमारा आज नेम है the Indian Navy, वो आया था January 26, 1950, which is also the day India became a republic. So please do remember, Republic Day के दिन we were given the name Indian Navy, which is 1950. Now, for the redesignation of the Indian Navy, on 26 January 1915, just as I told you, when India became a republic, the Royal Indian Navy, अब ये last नाम आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. Before the British went, the name was the Royal Indian Navy. अब British चली गई, royalty चली गई, we cut out the Royal, it's only the Indian Navy. वो redesignated as the Indian Navy, and the new Indian naval ensign, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कल, naval flag, वैसे ही naval ensign नया बना, which was replaced, and अब इसको हम आज सारी ceremonies में use करते हैं. The Indian national flag जो बना had earlier taken the place of the Union Jack. What is the Union Jack? The Union Jack is the flag of Great Britain. On 15th August 1947, which is our Independence Day. So you must keep in context कि हमारे लिए Indian Navy के लिए Republic Day and Independence Day are both very important. Soon after independence, the first cruiser. So in latter parts of these videos, we are going to learn about the types of boats. So one type of boat, and the first type of boat that was introduced was the cruiser INS Delhi. Now what is INS? INS stands for Indian Naval Ship. And there were 3 R classes. Destroyers were also brought. So destroyers are different from cruisers. We are going to learn about them, which were Rajput, रंजीत, राणा. अगर आप थोड़ा कंटेक्स्ट बनाओगे तो ये सारे टर्म्स राजस्थान के साथ एसोसिएटेड है. आर, राजस्थान, राजपूत, रंजीत, राणा. वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर दैट वेज. एंड फॉर द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ टुडे हम ऑल्सो बात करेंगे अबाउट द सेकेंड क्रूजर दैट वाज ब्रॉट, which is INS Mysore. But please इतना अपने आपको स्ट्रेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. INS Delhi is the most important one. INS Mysore can be remembered. Then 2 frigates आए, इसके बारे में भी we're going to learn. T class से the Trishul and the Talwar. This was followed by the acquisition of anti-submarine frigates. अब हमने frigates ले आए हम, but अब submarines भी चाहिए थी. और अगर आप आज के टाइम में देखोगे submarines are very important. So the K class came in. INS Khukri, INS Khutar, Kirpan, and anti-aircraft frigates. अभी anti-submarine frigates थे, please remember. और ये anti-aircraft frigates है, which is the B class. Brahmaputra, Beas, and Metwa. These are all names of rivers, if you want to remember that ways. With the joining of these ships, the Indian naval flotilla हम ऑलरेडी फ्लोटिला लर्न कर चुके हैं, लोकल फ्लोटिलास लर्न कर चुके हैं, was constituted into a fleet, which shows us flotilla is a part of the fleet, but it's a smaller version. So इन दोनों terms को confuse नहीं कर सकते. And then finally, the aircraft carrier, which is also a very important type of ship, INS Vikrant, was commissioned in February 1961, and this particular naval ship added the integral air defense and strike capability to our fleet. So just to remind you from the previous video, India has only 2 fleets. And that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.